Hey guys, it's Sarah. This is my doll, Emma, and today I'm going to be opening Joss Kendrick and her accessories. So let's get started. So let's get this open. I measured the box because, well, I just did. It's 20 inches long. So here, there's like a thing for a free photo book, Shutterfly, for American Girl's 35th anniversary. That's cool. Doll Hospital thing. Catalog. Oh, this is my third one of this. A bunch of packing peanuts. So I also got this Woven Castle bag and a capture wave top. You can look at those later. Here's Joss's accessories. Then I also got Joss's second book. Oh, here's Joss. Here's Joss. So exciting. Oh, it's so pretty. Excited. So here's Joss. Here's her book, Joss by Aaron Falligant. I think that's how you say it. So here's Joss. Here's Joss's book. And here for some underwear, since she's wearing a swimsuit, and here in this pretty blue case are her hearing aid and an extra one in case you lose it. And there's also this thing. And how to put on a hearing aid. Oh, here's Joss. Oh, she's so pretty. I love her. love her face mold. It's so pretty. Oh, and her jacket's really cute too. Here is Joss, all out of box. She's so pretty. I love her. She's beautiful. And now for one of the best parts, taking the hairnet off. Oh, her hair is so pretty. You can see the highlights in it. Really pretty. So it's just tied back in this like twist or something. It's really nice. And her hair is layered. I love it. I love it. It's beautiful. And on one side of her shorts, and on the left side of the shorts, there's these stripes. They're really cute. On the sleeves of her jacket is a wave pattern. Oh, she's so pretty. Love Joss. And of course her zipper is a star. So here's Joss with her hearing aid. It's right here. It's simple, pretty easy to put on. You just slide it on. And then you press it into the ear hair part. Here's Joss. I love her already. She's so pretty. I love her hair. I really seem to like playing with her hair. So Joss is so pretty. A neat outfit comes with this swimsuit. And you can actually put the hood on. And you can actually put the hood on. Here's how it looks at the back. Let's see it. And her hoodie has this wave design on the sleeves. I think it's so pretty. And yeah, there she is. I love her. Here is Joss's accessories. They come with all this. pieces I'm most excited for are her bag, the bracelets, and her sunglasses. So let's see what's inside. So first, we have her bag. It's got this blue strap and these cute tassels at the ends. It's got a flap, and so you can put stuff inside it. It's got this really pretty stripy design on it. I love the bag, it's so cute. Next, we have her sunglasses. The lenses are blue and pink ombre. They've got this. They're these blue glasses with blue and pink ombre lenses. They're really pretty. I love these glasses. Sunglasses. Next, we've got her phone. It's this black one. It's this black phone. Here's her blue phone case. I really like the blue color. Next, of course, is her phone screens. Her phone screen. One side is her home screen. One side is rainbow stripes. Next we have the car key for her big brother Liam's surf bus. So it's these keys with this tasseled keychain. You can see this design of a wave on them. And I love the tassel on them. It's so cute. As you can hear, my dad is vacuuming. Next we have one of her Surf Sister bracelets that her and Surf Sister Sophia have. This one's braided, and at the ends with this thread it's tied. It's really cute. This charm and the American Girl thing is dangled on this chain. Next we have her blue Surf Sister bracelet. It's this blue stretchy beaded one. It's really pretty. Now here is her notebook, her journal. It has this pretty design of palm trees on it. And there's some pages in it that are written in it. Now there's a membership card for Shine Athletics with Joss's name on it. And there's the fake paper money. So there's 3 miniature dollar bills. So here is Joss with her accessories. I love her Surf Sister bracelets. And I brushed her hair too. And I love Joss. She's so pretty. I really like her face mold. And I love the fact that she has a hearing aid. And that's not Magenta American Girl hearing aid. And her hair is so pretty with the highlights and the layers. I wasn't expecting her hair to be this long. It's really pretty. And I like that her hood fits over her head. So I decided to name my doll Mira. Thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye!